Look at me, aren't I lucky? I get my own silicone LED mask. Do I become Marvel superhero?
No, this is supposed to help with your skin.
Oh, that I can use a lot of help.
So it comes with this mask. This is the mask you'll be putting on your face. I'm going to wrap this around the mask, and that's the remote.
Oh, good. So like the TV remote, I get
Yeah,
my own
you can
remote.
just sit and watch TV with this. You don't want the LED lights hitting your eyes. Oh.
All right, I'm able to fight crime. Batman, where am I? Ow! You poked my eye out.
Oh, sorry.
Don't do that. I need that eyeball. Well, I feel very lit. I'm lit up.
You should definitely try this out and make sure you get this for your man. I'm sure he's going to make fun of it, but he's going to love it as he starts using it.